In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add special taglines to posts and pages in the Paramount theme. Go to your dashboard and open a page or post that you want to edit. If you are using the classic editor, on the right side of the screen, find the Custom Options meta box. Make sure that it is open. Next, find the Page Tagline text field. Add a few words or a short sentence and update your page. The tagline is displayed before the main title. The process is the same if you are using the block editor, with the only difference being the position of the Custom Options meta box. Instead of being at the top of the screen, it will be displayed at the bottom, after all the other page panels. You can use this theme feature to add short descriptions to your pages. On room pages, I think this is a great way to add your starting room rate or your main selling point for each room. Please note that taglines can also be displayed in other parts of the website, such as the featured pages on the homepage and on pages that display child pages. You can contact our support team if you need help setting up one of our themes. For an additional fee, we provide a quick and professional setup package. For more details, you can contact our support team before or after you buy one of our themes.